Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So yes guys, this is English Teacher and Friends, and in today's video everyone, I just would like to open this with you. So I was very surprised because when I actually opened, or when my daughter opened the mailbox, she found this one and she showed me what it is. So I was very surprised. So I got this one from one of my subscribers, everyone, and a very good friend as well. So yeah, so if you can guess, everyone, who that person is, please comment below, everyone. So yeah, let's open it. What's inside, everyone? Let's open. All right, so let's open, guys. So I'm wondering, I think it's something that's gonna be broken, guys, because there is something like that. You see, there is this kind of material. This is actually to, I guess, to protect the thing. Oh my god, guys. Oh look what it is, everyone. Oh my god, pink, my favorite color, everyone. Pink. Oh, and there's a card. Oh my god, Famil Castiran. Famil Castiran is actually means family, Castiran family. So yes guys, oh my god, look what I have here. Look guys. Oh my god. Oh my god, thank you so much. Oh my gosh, you always surprise me, you know. I really appreciate your being so thoughtful, you know, to your English teacher. Thank you so much. You never fail to surprise me. I really appreciate it. Yes, so this is it, guys. This is what I got. So I actually got here 2 boxes of, yeah, this one, everyone. So yes, guys. That's it, guys. So yeah, I hope you can try this with me, everyone. So yeah, this is what I got. Thank you so much. And look, the pink color, everyone. The pink is my favorite color, you know. Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, and let's have a look at the card. Oh, the card is also very beautiful. Very beautiful card with a pink rose, everyone. Is it rose? Yes. Anyway, pink flowers. Oh my god, pink flowers in it. Oh, Joyeux Noel. So that means to say Happy Christmas. Oh my god, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Really, I don't know how to thank you, but really, I really appreciate all your you know, all your care, or yes, every time, you know, I share something, or yes, anyway, I really thank you for being very thoughtful. Yes, yeah, I think yeah, this is really it. Yeah, thank you so much. So yes, that's it. Oh, I really, so yeah guys, you see, I'm very surprised, everyone. Let's open it. Shall we open it, or no? I will just open this because I'm gonna wait for my husband to actually you know, see this one, and we will open this together. Hopefully he's gonna like it. So this is for the whole family. Thank you so much for the early Christmas gift. Yes, it's a Christmas gift from you. Thank you so much. It's very thoughtful of you, really. And yes, I really appreciate all this being very thoughtful of you, you know. Yes, I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart, really. Thank you so much. Yes, oh my god, you always surprise me. You even didn't tell me what, or you didn't even tell me about this one. Yeah, it just arrived there. It is just in the mailbox, you know. So yeah, that's it, guys. You see, thank you so much. So yes guys, a big shout out to all my friends out there. Shout out to Ruby's Warren family, Nurse 8 in America, Marta's Rich, who else? Anna Marie Concha, Team Tabor channel, shout out to you. Shout out to fellow bloggers. Shout out to Ariel Shumailing, CA, shout out to you. And of course, shout out to all my friends out there, Genevieve and Lyra Vlogs. Yes, shout out to everyone. I really appreciate your continued support to my channel, everyone. So yes. And of course, shout out to Shine Amen and Fanzo. Shout out to Dan Fowler and shout out to Thought Police and David Roger. Yes, shout out to all of you guys. You guys are amazing. And shout out to 101 Food Travel, Napkin Wizard. Shout out to you, or Jimbo 360. Yes. So that's it, guys. That's all about this thing, everyone. So yeah, you know what? I don't know what you can say about that. I mean, of course, it is, you know, it is a great feeling, everyone. It is a great feeling. I don't know if you agree with me, but it is a great feeling when you actually get something from someone without even expecting it, you know. So yes, I really appreciate this kind of what action. So yes, guys, that's really it about this unboxing. So yes, you know, I have been always surprised by this person, guys. So yeah, I really thank this person all the time. And yeah, I don't know, I am speechless. I don't know what to say anymore. So anyway, this kind of thing, guys, always actually makes me feel better, you know, when you are feeling down or feeling like something is you know, missing or what. Well, it is a great feeling when you get something like this from one of your subscribers. So yeah, it's a great feeling. So I have nothing to say. It's a great feeling. So once again, thank you so much, and a big shout out to you. Yes, so I hope you will be having a great Christmas as well. I know this is a very early greetings, but yes, you have given me an early gift, so I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. So let's try, guys, how it tastes like. Let's try to open the gift from someone. Thank you so much. So this is it, guys.
Is it live?
No, it's not live. This is it, guys. The El Almendro. The El Almendro, yes, it's opposite. You cannot read probably because I'm using the camera on the opposite side. So yeah, that's it, guys. So let's try to open one. My husband said thank you so much. And of course from me, thank you so much. Oh! And inside the box, guys, there are two like this. 2 packs inside the box. So let's try. Oh, it looks delicious. Is it wafer? Oh, it looks like wafer. No?
It's to be run.
It's very delicious. It's very delicious. Thank you so much, my very supportive subscriber. Oh, it's very delicious, my God. There is a torong duro, crunchy torong. Torong kruang aman. It's like there's almond, okay? This peanut, I love it. Oh my gosh.
She's from Spain.
Is it?
Sure.
It's very delicious.
That's why you don't share.
So there are 2 flavors, guys. The other one is this. Torong blando. Si qua blando? Creamy turon. In English, there's creamy turon. Yeah. I think there's also peanut inside. Oh, I love it. It's the taste is very good, guys. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, really. Thank you so much. So yeah, I think it also has 2 packs like this. Oh, it's delicious, guys. It's not so sweet, you know, which I love. And there is the coat is like wafer. Yeah. Like that, like. Coat is like wafer. Peanut. Yeah. So yes, guys. so this is English Teacher in France. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click that bell button below to get notified of my new uploads and live streaming, everyone. Thank you so much. Bye bye.